Flora on another Fridays with Flora, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY lava lamp. And I tried this out with Melody a while ago and it worked pretty well, so I decided I would show it to you guys. By the way, this is the first time I will be using my new editor, so as you probably noticed from the intro, things are going to be a little bit different in terms of editing, but hopefully as I get used to this new program, things will be improving. So if I have some weird editing things going on, don't mind it because I'm just using this new editor now. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so what you're going to need is really simple. You can have any container. I just have a really small plastic one. You need some oil, doesn't really matter what kind. I'm using vegetable oil. You need water. Food coloring is optional. And I have a bath bomb here, which is going to help all the bubbles and stuff. The first step is to put in the water in the container, and I've already went ahead and I put food coloring in the water so that it's colorful. And this is, again, totally optional. If the amount of water you pour in doesn't matter, the ratio of oil and water is totally up to you. So now that I have the water in here, I'm going to add the oil very carefully. Okay, so now it's time for the really fun part, which is putting in the bath bomb. And that's really all you have to do, but this looks so cool all by itself. You can just watch the water and the oil react with each other. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you need to make sure that the bath bomb is small enough to fit through the hole. So I'm going to be cutting it with a knife. Be very careful. Okay, so there's glitter everywhere, all over my hands. That's fine. It's fine. We'll clean it up. I am so excited for this. Melody, can you move the camera and film the reaction? Or actually, I'll do it. Alright, so here is my lava lamp. And now I'm going to add my super sparkly bath bomb. So I chopped it into little pieces. I'm going to drop this in and then see what happens. And you see it immediately, the bubbles. Hold it. I'm gonna cap it just in case it starts going over. Hold it. Thank you, Melody. And now you can just watch this really cool reaction. You can kind of shake it up. You can really see that huge hunk of bath bomb making all the bubbles. Guys, so that was the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it and try out this little experiment on your own. Obviously this is not a permanent lava lamp as the bath bomb runs out, but it's still really fun and really pretty even after all the stuff's gone, because the glitter just kind of hangs in between the oil and the water, and it just looks really cool. So I really love this experiment and I hope you guys do too. So please give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next Friday. Thanks to Melody and Alley Cat for helping me. Bye!